Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using the script that you can see a little cheat sheet of above me, and this script uses a combination of dots and lines to make these different columns in conjunction with these 4 different letter stems. So the top one is a deep divot like a horseshoe, which actually does not exist anywhere in that design. All of the divot stems are in the 3rd row, they're shallow divots, and then there are circles that are completed inside the word circle in the 2nd row. Again, there is no letters that have circles that cross the line of the word circle, so all of these letters are actually in the top 2 rows. And then vowels are smaller circles, which I'll show right now. See these little guys right here? Vowel, 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 vowel. And then the vowels, their position determines what vowel they are, as well as if they have a line going inwards or outwards. So these are both the letter I because I have a line going inwards towards the center of each word circle. So let's go ahead and read this. So starting at the bottom and going counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time, this first word starts with a full circle. So we're in the 2nd row, and it has 1, 2, 3 dots closest to it, so that makes it an L. And then we have a little guy attached to it. So if we look at our vowels, an O is internal and is inside our word circle and is attached like a bead on a string onto these consonants. So that's the L, O, and then a V is a shallow divot with 1 line on it, and then the E has a circle on the line of the word circle. So even though this is on a line, this is the word circle line where the O is internal of the word circle and on the line of the consonant. So that's something that throws a lot of people off, is O's looking like E's and E's looking like O's. Anyway, but this is the word love. And then we have an I with a line going inwards. And then this shallow divot has these 2 thick lines plus a 3rd thin one. So we add them all up, 1, 2, 3. That is 3 lines and is the letter S, so is. And then this thick word circle here has just 1 little vowel on it, and that's the letter A, and this whole word is A. And then I put a little bit of a thicker ring going around it, this extra thick ring here, just to kind of add emphasis on this word, because it is the main idea of love is a promise. And we have 1, 2 lines attached to the P, 1, 2 on a full circle inside the word circle, and then we have 1, 2, 3 dots on the R. The O is internal to the word circle, and then the M has 1, 2, 3 lines on it, I line going inwards. This S has 1, 2, 3 lines, just like this S, and last but not least, we have our E. So that's that design for Love is a Promise. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.